Hi everyone, Leona Prince here, and congratulations on your decision on joining Epic. This video is basically for builders, those who actually want to build an organization within the company, not for clients. Okay, so this video will basically show you how to release persons from your holding tank. All right, so first I'm going to log into my back office. All right, so once you are in your bank back office, there are actually two ways in order to release persons from your holding tank. The first way is you go on the left hand side under the dashboard, you will see my team. So you click on my teams. All right, and you will see placement hold two persons here. So I have two persons to release from the holding tank. Right, so you could click on this link, or on the right hand side, you will see waiting in placement hold 2, which shows that I have two persons to place into my organization. All right, so you could either click on here or you could either click on this side. Okay, so we are going to click on this side, on the left hand side under my teams. So click on placement hold. All right, so I am going to place um this first person here. So I clicking on update placement. Okay, so I am going to put this person directly under me. So under the placement ID, I will just copy and paste my sponsor ID and put it as the same as placement ID, and you just click on update. All right, so make sure that is done. I will just refresh the page. Okay. Okay, so you will see that my placement ID is here. So for this other person, I will have to update placements again for this other person. So this person will be under my placement ID. So I will update placements here on this side. Right. So I will do the same thing again. Copy and paste my placement ID at the top, and then click on update. Okay, but before I do that, I want to explain something to you. Right, even though that you brought persons into the company, if you would like to place someone under someone within your organization, you could actually use their ID and put it at the top. So you don't have to use your ID all the time. Okay, you could actually use someone from within the organization, which part you want the other person to go, and just click on placement ID and then click on update. Okay, so let's refresh again. Just to make sure all is well. All right, so now we are going under my personal team. Sorry about that. We are going on the graph. Sorry. Right, as you go on the graph, it's taken a little while to update here. So this was the first person that I placed, the first placement ID, and this will be the second person. So it's taken a little while. So let's go back to placement hold one more time. Okay, so now I have 0%. So everyone is placed. Okay, so we go in under the graph. All right, so this person is placed, right? So this person I have placed in the middle leg and the other person on the right leg. So this once you have placed persons within your organization, now that person will have access to place other persons within their organizations. Now once you release them from the holding tank, now they now have the opportunity to place persons under themselves, or I will be able to place other persons under them as well. So I try to make this tutorial simple and easy as possible. I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and have a good one. Take care.